Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the vibrance of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on adjustments down below and find here the vibrance filter, press on it and you can just adjust it here. And once that is done, you can just either continue editing or leave the project and save it, or don't save it, depending what your decision is. And that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.